Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. We are back at it again. We're over here trying to take my motor apart. We got stuck in the last video, but today got me a rubber mallet. A lot of you guys said to get one of these, so today we're about to go ham on this motor, yo. I actually just got back from Home Depot, and man, that place is really dangerous. Cause check this out. I got all of this at Home Depot when the whole purpose of going there was just to get this. I was walking around and I saw a freaking whole pack of gloves. All of this. How many of this? 15 pairs. 15. Could you guess how much this was? $10. Bruh, $10. I don't even think I need this, but I copped it just because. If I had to choose something that I was really picky about on cars, it's clean windows. I could have a dirty car, but I would still want super clean windows. I got a couple of funnels because, yo, these were only like $2 each. I was really debating if I wanted this, but then I realized, you know what? This is definitely better than the one I have now. Because the one I have now is really small and it has a tiny hole right here and it's really easy to miss. I don't know, man. My aim just isn't good. I'm just not a pro. Who knows? This one's really wide, so I just have a lot of room for error. And I got two because just in case I need one for like coolant or something else other than oil, I don't want to cross-contaminate the chemicals. That way it'll be easier to recycle. Yeah. But anyway, ow, freak. Ouch. But anyways, we got the rubber mallet. Let's do this thing. All right, so in the last video we got stuck right here. I couldn't get this cradle, baffle, girdle, whatever you're gonna call it, this big old piece. I couldn't get this off. It seems like it's seized on here. Screw it, let's just take this off. Yeah. Yo, after fighting this thing for so long, we finally got that bridge off. I think what really helped the most was when I was able to hit it right here with the hammer. As you can see, we got most of it off, but this thing right here is still attached. That's the whole issue. This is the reason why I couldn't get it off in the first place. This was just really stuck. This is the bridge right here. I flipped it upside down. See, all these pieces came off, except this one right here, which is that. So, man, I do gotta take off the crank because I want to replace the crank bearings. You can kind of see them, that little thin slit right there. And these are the other side of the crank bearings right here. I don't know how to tell if they're good or not, but I mean, I got some brand new ones, so if anything, it'll be better than what we got now. Yeah. Yo, and just like that, the engine is finally taken apart. Woo, damn, we can see straight through it. Okay. I already got started on removing the piston rings. I saved one last one just so you guys can see how it's done. It might be the improper way, but yo, we got it off anyways. Whatever. Over here, we got everything we pretty much need for the engine rebuild. We got a couple bearings. These are the rod bearings and crankshaft bearings. The rod bearings are gonna go in here, and the crankshaft bearings are gonna go on that one piece that we had a lot of trouble getting off. We got piston rings, rear main seal, and this, I don't even think I need this because I ordered a new oil pump, and I'm pretty sure this might be something that goes on the oil pump. Who knows? Well, shoot, it's pretty crazy that I've come this far. We got a block that's stripped all the way down. We got all these engine parts everywhere. Man, I would have never thought I'd get this far, but yo, here we are. Everything's taken apart. Now all we gotta do is just put everything back together, and we'll get the lube back up and running. Woo! It's been too long, I'm sorry. But let's knock this thing out. Yeah! Yo, it's now been like 3 days, I think, and we still don't have the motor back together. There's a couple parts that I am missing. I'm waiting on a new oil pump, and that's probably about it. But today we could get some stuff done. Yesterday I got all the piston rings installed and the bearings. And I just wanted to show you guys how the piston rings are installed. I'm not saying I'm doing it correctly, but this is how I did it. So this top ring right here, this very top one, I put the opening right there. The next ring down, which is right here, I put the opening 180 degrees on the other side. And then the very bottom, there's two very thin rings, and I put the opening right here. And this squiggly one is also opening right there. See what the red marks, whatever are? Yeah. I mean, judging from this instruction, I think I did it right, because this is where the pinhole, whatever it is. So I made sure to put the two openings right here and right here. And then the very bottom, the sandwich one, I put the opening like, you know, not right there and not right there. So if I got this wrong, be sure to let me know, because pretty soon this motor is going to get put back together, and hopefully the lube will be back on the road. Woo! So since I'm still waiting on the new oil pump, I'm going to reinstall everything that I can up to the point to where I need to install the oil pump. So we're going to get the pistons installed, the crankshaft, the crankshaft bearings. Hopefully nothing goes wrong. Yeah!